Notes for Self-Publishing Secrets, Episode 5. Open up with the Cancun trip for self-publishing school, our offsite meeting where we worked most of the time. I don't have a ton of footage for it. Show that I finished the draft there. So by the end of it, I was prepared to send it to an editor, and then any other cool footage at that point from the trip. Hey guys, I'm recording this for the series. Can I show you something? I wanted to show you, they didn't answer the call, so I want to show you, what's up, buddy? Hi Brooks. How you doing, bud? Oh, we did it. They sent me this, and Jen and I are like, man, why is it, like, they made me like orange looking, like this. There's like one with my picture, and then I said, give me one version using this picture, because it's like an event speaking, so that kind of makes sense, and then one that is just plain. So they sent me this, and we're like, just change a few things, change that, like this could work. And then they sent me this, it's just like super simple, which I don't hate this.
I like that better. I do agree you look a little orange. I like that. I mean, that would be, to me, the inside.
Yeah, well, and yeah, it's like a separate, so then they redid it to this. So I like this a lot better.
I do like that a lot better. You don't look orange.
Yeah, they changed this. They changed, also had them change, I didn't like how this were the two words that were like secret event were the words that were kind of like, you know what I mean? Like most, because it's more about, like, I mean, I don't know. So they made it like this, which
I like that better.
I like that too. And then they changed this just to not have it be this secret event, have it be event funnel. So that's all they changed on this one. So this one, I don't think, I like this one. It's based on an example I gave him this other book called Ask by this guy, Ryan Levesque, but his book's so clean, it's just Ask, it's one word. So it's kind of cool that it is just like a really simple one. So those are the two. This is the one that I originally mocked up myself and kind of was like, hey, here's an example. So I like the red too. I'm like, I don't know if I like
the red.
The red or the blue better though.
Oh, I kind of like the blue.
But I also kind of like.
I like the red too. I like both of them.
But I don't think I'm gonna have a forward by anyone, so I don't want to do forward. Like, but I like the little bar at the top to kind of break it up. So I was trying to think of something else I could put in that, or maybe put my name in blue at the bottom, like a blue bar across the bottom or something, you know?
Yeah, that might work.
So, but also, can you help me, buddy? Okay, look. I want to know which of these you like better, okay? So there's two different kinds. This one is for Dad's book. Or, I can't hold this camera. Or this one. Which one do you like better? I know you're kind of sleepy. Wait, this one or this one? Which one do you think?
Batman.
Batman? Which one's Batman? Here, show me. You swipe it.
Well, first off, where are you at in the book? Like, what do you have done? Editing's done, right?
Editing's done. So right now it's just finalizing all the words that I want in it for the formatter, right? So like copywriting page, the title page, and then also it's Jen doing all of the illustrations because she's going to do all those on Saturday, and then send it to the formatter.
Nice. So it's like you're gonna put like little infographics in your book.
Yeah, like I wish I had my copy here. I'd show you. There's a bunch of stuff like, you know how I talk about like advertising, a lead, to prospect, to client, like this funnel. I've got a bunch of stuff I pulled from old presentations into the draft, but it's just like clip art. I mean, it looks fine, but it's not like all uniform. And I'm like, well, I could make them in Canva or something, but I'd rather have it be unique. And she does all these cool, like, you know, black ink drawings. I'm like, hey, would you just draw these on the iPad? There's the app that she uses. Draw them, I'll export them, and then they can all be uniform and look really cool throughout the book to represent any of these things.
All right, cool. Whoa. So we're gonna get some hot Cheetos.
Snack run.
And then we're gonna get back and we're gonna finish the illustrations. And I'm gonna finish my front matter and my back matter.
Just a space for two. What's the front matter?
close to you. I look into your eyes as an ocean blue. When I'm down, you lift my feet off the ground. There's no other feeling when I'm next to you. No one else around, just a space for two. There's no better feeling when I'm close to you. I look into your eyes as an ocean blue. When I'm down, you lift my feet off the ground. You lift my feet off the ground.
Done, editing's done, finished front matter and back matter basically. I'm kind of just like tweaking a few things. And then Jen did all the illustrations, which is really cool. If you ever want some cool illustrations in the future, like black pen drawing, like not kind of like Russell Brunson style doodle, better, you know?
Yeah.
So all that's done, and so I'm gonna send that all off. But the dilemma I've had, and this is more so with the series, book and series, like I came into this and I was like, I'm gonna do this in 90 days.
Right.
It's been more than that. I don't know if you knew that. I mean, the divorce.
You're like, oh crap, I thought I was on this really fast pace. But then this happens to students all the time, is that you realize that you actually still are on a really fast pace and you're still going way faster than anyone who's not working with self-publishing school. It's just slightly slower than you thought it was gonna go. So it's almost like this moment of recommitment. And all right, how do I recommit, acknowledge it, be okay with that, then recommit and go back into the program, go back into your coaching post, go back into all those things, and then sprint to the finish. But almost like letting go of the baggage of, I didn't do this.
Have we been here long enough? Let's take it on back now. Are you riding with me?
So we are hiking in Sedona. It's beautiful.
And cold.
And cold. It's cold. Here's Jen. And we were just talking about how I talked to Chandler the other day. And when I started this whole series, I said that I was going to finish the book in 90 days. And it was like a big part of it. And honestly, it probably meant more to me than anybody who's watched it. But it's been like 5 months since I started. And so, I don't know, I felt weird about it. Like, I don't know what to say because I kind of was mad that I didn't finish it. But the thing is, I think that what I've realized is like, yeah, anybody that starts a book and can finish it in less than a year even, it's pretty freaking awesome. And also, like, when you set a goal for yourself for a certain timeline, the point is to keep yourself moving forward. And that goal did, and the series did. I'm still gonna publish, so it's okay, right?
And don't let a timeline stop you from just trying to achieve your goals, because life happens all the time, and it shouldn't keep you, just because you said 90 days, it shouldn't keep you from finishing it.
Good at her.
You did. Good job.
Thanks. That's cool. All right, that's it.
Does this dance belong to us? I'm ready for the track now. Are you vibing with me? Was the night not long enough? Did the moon settle back down over the sea? Picasso with the black brush, I laid in your shade. Something irresistible. Well, you ain't seen my best yet, I'm catching my wave. Be it for the morning tide. And I see new colors when I'm with you.